Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'll be making some fried chicken with some pineapple Hennessy sauce. And yeah, let's get started. So over here I have pineapple juice. I didn't have any boxed or canned pineapple juice, so I made my own. I'll list that below in the description box. You're also gonna need some ketchup, of course some Hennessy. Yes, y'all, I'm milking the hell out of that Hennessy bottle because I don't drink Hennessy, so I have to cook with it. You're gonna need some sambal, some brown sugar. Of course, you want to season it with salt and pepper, and of course, spicy girl. So let's get into the sauce. So basically, you're just dumping into the pot. You're just dumping. You're gonna put everything down into the pot, put it on the stove, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes until it reduces and thickens. And yep, so we're just gonna build the sauce and just watch how I do it. Alright, so you want to put that sauce to the side. Now we're going to season the chicken. I'm going to season the chicken with my lemon pepper. My spices drop in about 2 weeks from today, October 15th. You're going to season this with my lemon pepper and my spicy girl because they both have a particular kind of kick that I really love on poultry. I'm also going to add some extra black pepper because y'all know I love me some black pepper on fried food. It's delicious. So you want to mix this up and allow it to marinate 2 hours or up to overnight. Look how beautiful my spices are on the chicken. Like seriously, I can't wait for you guys to try it out. This are my eggs right here. It's now 2 hours later. You want to add some hot sauce. Y'all know I love my hot sauce to my eggs and beat them to death just like this. And then we're going to pour it right over the chicken, mix it up, and now we're going to bread the chicken and fry it. It's so easy and simple. But this right here is, I have flour and I'm adding cornstarch to my flour. And you're gonna season the flour just like you season the chicken. Look at my ashy hands, y'all. I wash my hands way too much in the day. My hands are always ashy. And you're gonna add spicy girl and the lemon pepper to the flour, same thing as we did to the chicken. And then you're just gonna mix it up. We're gonna dredge the chicken and get to frying. Alright, as you can see, I put 3 pieces at a time because my pot is not that big. I have my heat on number 5 because of a metal pan. When you're frying in a metal pan, you can't have the heat high like you would another kind of pan. And this is my sauce right here. It's bubbling away, and I'm just going to let it reduce, and it's going to be perfect. And I'm about to show you guys exactly what it looks like once it's done reducing. This is about the consistency you want. However, everyone likes their sauce different. You could leave it to not simmer as long and it could be thinner. You could have it thicker. You control your sauce however you want your sauce to be. So this is what the chicken and my sauce looks like. Yummy! The chicken came out so good and super flavorful, and I'm about to enjoy it. Y'all, look at this chicken. There go babe. Babe over there tearing it up. This is the mac and cheese. I don't know which one of these videos are coming out first, but they're gonna be 2 days apart, so please don't tear up my comments. If you get the mac and cheese, you gotta wait for the chicken. Okay, if you get the chicken, you gotta wait for the mac and cheese.
Gotta get in.
Good. Look at. Alright, y'all. So let me stop playing and show y'all. Oh, the consistency of the sauce. I forgot. This is the consistency of the sauce. It got thick. I can taste the pineapple juice and the Hennessy, but it's not strong in there. This is the chicken. Ooh, period. You put this on your Thanksgiving table, y'all. You gonna be cooking every year, okay? Anyway, I'll catch y'all on my next video. Bye, guys.